guys, I'm back. Today I'm telling you guys 5 things to do when you're bored, so let's just get into it. And also I'm starting to post more on YouTube shorts, so keep that up. I'm gonna post a new one today as well as this video, so check that out. Anyways, let's get into it. Number 1, focus on your hobbies. Hobbies can just be anything that makes you happy or just something that you're good at that makes you feel good. For example, I guess you can say that YouTube is kind of my hobby because it's something that I do every day. Well, not every day unless there's like school, but right now it's vacation and I've been doing YouTube like every day, and it just makes me like happy, and this gives me something to do during the day so I'm not like completely bored during the whole day. And yeah. Number 2, just listen to some music. Your favorite songs could just make you happy and get you through the day. This is what helps me get through the day as well. I just love listening to music, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Number 3, make some Pinterest boards. Pinterest is one of my favorite apps. It gives me so much inspiration and, you know, so much ideas. Like here, like look at the amount of ideas it gives you, and yeah. Number 4, do your makeup. Doing my makeup is actually one of my favorite parts of the day. It can be so stressful, but it's so fun and, you know, so amazing. I just love doing makeup. And yeah, makeup is therapy, and yeah. Okay, lastly, no need to voice over this one. Start journaling. I think I posted a YouTube short about some different ideas you can do for your journal. And yeah, like journaling is just like a fun activity to do if you're like really bored and you just want to, like, you know, be creative and stuff like that. You can start journaling. It's really fun, and especially if you have like some stickers, you can just put like random stickers in your journal. Like you see, I use a lot of stickers when I'm journaling because it's fun and creative and it gives you something to do during the day. So yeah, you should consider it. Okay guys, I hope you found this video helpful, especially for the people who stay at home all day and have like nothing to do. Hopefully you find this video and it gives you some stuff to, you know, do during the day instead of just like sitting around. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to 400 subscribers. We're super close. And yeah, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.